Big tech AI spending is poised to exceed $300 billion this year, 2025, up from what it was last year, which is $246 billion, and up from what it was in 2023, around $151 billion. So this is regardless of the disclosure from DeepSeek, and also the prospects of cheaper and commoditized AI models. So Amazon just came out on Thursday, the 6th of February, to announce that they're investing $100 billion, topping the investment of Google. Google indicated they're going to invest $75 billion. So Amazon has come out to indicate that they are investing around $100 billion. So this has brought the total spending possibility to around $300 billion for this year. So regardless of what has been going on, there's fears, that spending is too much. They're still going ahead with all of that spending. So investors are concerned that all of this spending will mean that there might be no share buybacks, there might be limited funding for dividends, and also the other business lines that are not AI, related. So there's really not very much case against Amazon, but there is a case against Google, for instance. The revenue reporting from Gemini is, according to them, according to analysts, it's a bit opaque. And then Microsoft's Copilot is a bit glitch prone, and for Google as well, there's a risk of cannibalizing the ad based business on Google itself with AI. But so far it hasn't happened. So far it hasn't happened. I believe revenue from ads on Google rose around 13% or something like that. But even at that, they're not convinced. The market is not convinced. When it comes to Meta, they're by far a lot more convinced, because it is absolutely clear. They can see that there's growth in their ad spending. I mean, there's growth, return on investment on their ads. Given that they have implemented AI to enhance that, so they're seeing growth there. They're seeing return on investment. So even with the announcements of even prospects of hundreds of billions of dollars, or investments close to hundreds of billions of dollars in AI spending, stock continue to go higher and higher. So Meta is right now probably the best AI stock, especially among the big tech, especially among the big tech companies. In the near term, Microsoft and Google, they're probably going to return and continue to do well. So we have seen Google suffer from some of the setbacks and has returned. As a matter of fact, not very long ago, we got into Google, and it has returned around almost 900%. So I think, okay, we still have a position in Google, but we have closed our position in Microsoft at the moment. So according to an analysis by Societe Generale, the Mark 7, which includes Apple, Tesla, and Nvidia, their investment in AI spending rose around 40% last year. And in the case of the other 493 S&P 500 companies, the investment rose by only 3.5%. And guess what? The profit of the Mark 7 was up 40% just recently, compared to only 3.5% for the rest of the 497. So you did the maths. So the investments can pay off, and I believe I really don't doubt. Even with what Google, DeepSeek has been able to expose, the prospects, and also, you know, revealing the prospects of cheaper and commoditized AI models. I believe demand it is actually it's actually unlocking demand. That is probably what Microsoft CEO is seeing and has continued to double down on AI investments. Yeah, so just have a look at all the stocks. At the moment, we are currently holding only Microsoft. Okay, well, we've only closed Microsoft because our profits has dropped off. So we're just closing it at the moment. But in the near term, we're going to come back. We're still holding, obviously, Nvidia. Nvidia's down. It was lost 17% when that DeepSeek news came out, wiping off $600 billion. But we're still there. But there might be a chance that we might close it if we recover some of our losses. But yeah, we're still in Nvidia, we're still in Microsoft. No, we're still in Nvidia, we're still in Apple, we're still in Amazon, AWS. Yeah, so yeah, not in Tesla at all. Yeah, so see what you make of all of these stocks, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.